Hey everyone, it's me again. So yeah, I mean, I just don't understand who came to this world and told people that it's wrong to be dissatisfied. It's wrong to be not content in life. It's wrong to be frustrated, or it's wrong to be just pissed off with the general scheme of things. I just don't understand, dude. I mean, if anyone has achieved anything in their life, right? It could be business, friend, I don't know, business, personal stuff, whatever. It has always come from a position of dissatisfaction. Otherwise, why the fuck would anyone put some efforts into their lives, into some specific parts of their lives to improve themselves, to get better, to get stronger, get more money? I don't know, right? So, improvement, getting better, if you think about it, conceptually, I mean, it's conceived from a position of dissatisfaction, and which is good, absolutely good. See, if you're dissatisfied, if you're pissed off, if you're just if you just have that frustration in you that you can be at XYZ place, you can have XYZ things, you can have ABC things in your environment. If you don't have good, that means you understand your potential, you understand what you can do, right? Now, so that's that. I mean, so if you're dissatisfied, genuinely dissatisfied, good, yeah. I mean, just maintain that fire in you, right? Don't become a person who just accepts everything, right? Now there's a difference between accepting something and being happy and being grateful about it. You don't need to be satisfied with where you are at your life. But big but at this at the same time, you need to first of all identify all the things that you have in life, right? Second, appreciate all the good things that you had in life, and thirdly, just be grateful of your life, right? Of grateful to life itself, of the things that you have. For starters, if you have a roof over your head, if you get 2 meals a day, if you and a family, sleep in a safe environment, boss, good job. I mean, good job to you, your parents or grandparents, I don't know, but good job. I mean, you have something which millions of people don't even have, right? They dream of just having a stable roof over their head. They just dream of getting 2 meals a day on time, which you have. So be grateful, be aware of what you have, appreciate it. But I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, and that's different from being dissatisfied, right? You can be grateful in life. You can appreciate the things that you want, that you have in life. You can identify. At the same point of time, you can be just massively pissed off with your life, and that's absolutely fine. I'll tell you why that's fine. Yeah, don't let anyone tell you of whether you should be content or not content. Because they don't know you. You know yourself, you know your limitations, you know what you're capable of, you know what you're good at, what stuff you absolutely want, you deserve, you can probably get and achieve in life, right? And it could be anything. It could be from a professional perspective, or a relationship perspective, or just I mean, heck, even your friends, man. If you just friends suck, then fuck off, man. Just find new friends. Who says it's not possible? Who says it's something bad? Absolutely not. Yeah, you just do not let anyone tell you what you want in life, what you deserve in life, right? Don't lower your standards or change your standards for anyone, because they don't know you. No one else knows you better than yourself, right? I mean, your parents, for example, can come from a place of love, right? But people don't necessarily come from a place of competence, and that is absolutely fine. There will be times that you advise people from a place of love, but you're not competent. Your advice is not practically feasible in the world, and that's absolutely fine. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. The moral of the story is, you know yourself. No one does. If there is something that you want, something that you think you deserve, something that you think you should get in life, I don't know, it could be anything. Do not let anyone or any environment tell you that this is wrong. Absolutely not, right? Absolutely not. At the same time, what you should be aware of also is that be discontent, be dissatisfied, all those things are good. just don't fucking be a complainer. Yeah, I mean, see, there are people who are dissatisfied. There are people who don't like where they are. There are people who just have that fire in you to change, to become better, to get more rich, to get more athletic. I don't know, right? uh, it's good to be that person, right? It's good to be that person and take action. It's pathetic to be a person who just always complains. Yeah, I don't have anything because I was not born in a rich family. I don't have anything because I'm not lucky. See, if you complain about things in life perpetually, then I mean there's nothing that can happen to you, right? So don't become that. People who always complain, people who always put the blame outside of their faculty, people who always blame external factors, people who always are in a defensive mode of are always in a mode of defending what the gap in who they are and who they want to be from any perspective, right? Don't defend. Yeah, I mean, if just don't defend. If you think you want, if you think you can own half of the city, probably you could, right? Who the fuck knows, right? You know yourself. I don't know you. Your parents don't know you that like the way you do. Your friends don't know you. Your colleagues don't know it. I mean, who the fuck knows? Like, you know yourself, right? So just follow that. And yeah, I just wanted to discuss a couple of other things. And yeah, I mean, just don't change your standards or lower standards for anyone. Yeah, I mean, just the bottom of the story, which I told earlier again, just there is only one person in the world who understands you, truly understands you, and that's yourself, right? You know what you're capable of. You know what you deserve, right? You know if something exists in the world, whether you can get it or not. You know whether you can be a billionaire or not, right? If you want to be. You know whether you can have a physique like Hrithik Roshan or not. Or I just don't know. I mean, probably that's a bad example, but yeah. Do not let anyone else tell you. Do not let anyone else, any goddamn person, any goddamn environment tell you that XYZ thing is not possible. You know yourself, no one else. If you want a better job, if you want a better relationship, if you want more money, if you want a better car, if you want to live in a better house, and if you just want to live in a better environment, if you want just better things in life, if you want to have the most expensive toys in life, if you want to have everything, go for it, man. Just go for it. Who the fuck is stopping you? Who the fuck is there to tell you not to go for your dreams, right? Not to go for your passions. So yeah, that's it. You know yourself, no one does, and that's it. Take care. Good luck.